What it do, guys? You know, for my new subscribers, was popping, and for the ones that been there, was good, mad love, man. Say, how y'all doing out there? For real, for how y'all doing? It's been a while. I know it's been a while. You know what I mean? I've been in the cave, man, doing my thing. You feel me? But ain't nothing crazy. Yeah, matter of fact, it is something crazy. You know what I mean? I'm busy doing my thing. You know what I mean? Been cleaning. You know what I mean? Been taking parts off. You know what I mean? Been playing. Thank y'all, man, for real, for the love, for everything, man. For real, man. I want to thank y'all. You know what I mean? But we're going to get to it. You know what I mean? I got to, you know, I just ordered something online. I want to show y'all what it is. You know, I just want to share with y'all. I haven't opened it yet or whatever, but I just want to show y'all, you know, what I got. It's something cool, something dope. You know what I mean? It's gonna be added to my wall collection. It's that culture, you know what I mean? We all share, we all love, man. We all feel, you know what I mean? That passion, you know what I mean? But let's get to it, you know. Let me know what y'all think. So this is what I got it. I got it hanging right there. You know. It's milkweed, cruz, and Paco. Vato Loco. You know what I mean? Right there with my flags. You know, I fuck with it. You know what I mean? When I seen them offer up, I was like, yo, I gotta have that. You know what I mean? I gotta have it. You know, but still got the wall right here, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's what I got for right now, you know. Let me know what y'all think about it, you know. Good material, you know. Very high quality material. So yeah, right now this is my setup. You know what I mean? This one right here, and this Bajita one right here, I'm gonna keep. On the purple one, that's for my daughter. You know, that's what I'm gonna keep. But it's my setup right here, guys. What y'all think? Let me know. You know, the other ones, the rest, you know, they getting looked at by other people. You know what I mean? They coming by, you know, see what's up with them. But yeah, so this is what I got right now. You know, oh yeah, and this one right here too. Look at that. See that one right there? That one will work on too, you know. That's gonna be my project, you know. So let me know what you think about my setup, you know. Alright, so here's my baby, my daughter's, you know, headrest thingy. But I just got this. Well, I didn't get it, but I had this for a while. I just switched up the rims on it. You know what y'all think about it? Baby boy. Got the fan wheels on it. And the fan rims. What y'all think? Hey, sexy, man. Especially when the sun hits this shit. Shit crazy, man. It's like riding on blades. Yeah, so with this one right here, thinking about putting some art on it. You know, because they already got the, you know, the tank on it filled up. You know what I mean? The middle of it filled up. You know, I'm thinking about doing some things on this one. You know, some art on it, go some art on it. That's what I'm thinking about. This one right here is this is a Bajita old school frame right here. You know what I mean? With the old school 7 stars on it. You know, I might throw on the lucky 7s on them. You know what I mean? That's why I might throw on it. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna play with it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna play with them parts. You know, all this, man. I love all this, man. I'm gonna play with everything I got. You know, put pieces on. You know what I mean? Ride it around for a few. Take the pieces off. Put something else, something fresher. You know what I mean? But that's where we at right now. But yeah, you know, I just want to share with y'all that, you know, I got a couple projects going on. You know, I got them 3 projects right there going on. You know, I got a lot of things going on right now, but, you know, little by little, you know what I mean? Whenever I get it done, I get it done. You know what I mean? But this is how we rolling right now. And you know what it is. But I got some stuff under my sleeves, you know what I mean? You know, I don't know if y'all remember that shirt that, you know, I gave away. You know, I might, I don't know. I'm gonna see. I might have more styles, you know, different ones coming through. You know, but I gotta see what's up with them. You know, first. But I got some things under my sleeve. I don't know yet. You know what I mean? But let's see. You know what I mean? You know, let's see. You know what I mean? Where God takes me. You know, whatever. You know what I mean? But yeah, I just wanted to share with y'all. You know, what I got, you know what I mean? I got the new cap too, you know what I mean? What y'all think about that hat, you know what I mean? Dope, right? But, nah, man, I just want to appreciate y'all, you know, for the love, you know, for everything, man. You know, I just want to thank y'all for real, man. I might do something big too, you know what I mean? I might do another giveaway. I don't know yet. I got to see, you know. But, yeah, so... You know, just keep sharing, man, for real, man. I appreciate the love, you know, and the ones that been there for me, man, yo, mad love, man, since the beginning, man. I appreciate y'all, man, for real, mad love, you know what I mean? And the ones that just, you know, just coming through, man, was good, man, was popping for me. I appreciate y'all too, man, for real. You know, thank God, you know, for a lot, man, for real. But, just want to let y'all know, man. Man, love, God bless y'all and take care, man. Be safe out there. For real. And keep riding, man. Keep riding. Never stop riding, you know what I mean? Low for life, you know what I mean? Keep that culture alive, you know what I mean? No matter what, you know what I mean? But, you know, God bless y'all. Take care. Be safe, man.